guys, so this is another video. I know I just posted it today, but I just want to get back to it, back to the grindstone. Want to get out some videos, pump out some videos, again, hope you guys enjoy this. This is going to be my second video on YouTube, and today we'll be looking at the Stampede again, but we're doing some more bashing and in the daylight, and that's about it. Hopefully we don't break anything. If we do, then it's back to the shop. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What I forgot to mention is I have to charge the battery, so we are going to do a little bit of work on it. Just clean it up a little bit, make sure it's all nice and ready, make sure nothing's broken. We're going to take a look at a spur gear and see if I can, not fix it because it's plastic, but make it run a little better. See if we can make it run at all. Maybe move over the pinion gear a little bit. And yeah, again, hope you guys enjoy the video. So next we're going to do a little bit of work on the car. We are going to take off the wheel here, or the tire I should say, right here. So what I like to use is well, not what I like to, but I kind of have to, is a 7mm wrench. So you see how it's got holes in there? Maybe you can't. Well, no you can't. But you just screw that off like that. Put it on like that. Got the one tire off. I think that's all I need. I'm gonna grab my DeWalt drill. Oh, it's an impact driver, really. Right there. Pretty nice. I use these atomic bits. Comes with a whole case of them. I'm gonna grab the skinniest one I can get at the tip. That is. Just pop it right into there. Locks into place. Now. Uh-oh. That's probably not good. My sticker's coming off. Pop that right out like that. Move that over to the side, and we're done. Here's the old spur gear. It's a little ripped up, as you can see. Yeah, so it's pretty bad. Not terribly bad. It's not missing any teeth, but all the teeth have been damaged. At least most of them. This is a 86 tooth, and I use I think it's a 19 tooth, maybe 16 tooth. I don't remember on there. Whatever the stock one is. And right now I have a 48P or 48P 86 tooth. I don't know what the 48P means, but something. I should probably know it, but yeah, so that's that. Just for a fun side note, I use this, can't know if you can see it, but Proline tire glue. There's a glare right there, but this is the part number 603100. So there we go, right there. You can pause the video if you need to. And just gonna put a little dash of it on the, I don't know how good this is for it, but nope, there goes that. Nope, got a little bit on my hand. Ain't that just wonderful? Let's get a piece of plastic and wipe off the rest of it. So that way we're not getting it all over our hands. I just really like that sticker on there, so yeah. That's why I'm doing this. Not the best of job, really bad job actually. Oh well. At least it's not gonna peel off. It might, I don't know, but it might keep it more waterproof. I have no clue, honestly. Anyways, that's that. tell it's a brand new spur gear in there. The pinion gear, this is the stock one, but the grub screw's been giving me problems. I think I need to buy some Loctite on there, because it's just been really annoying. The grub screw keeps coming off, or it slips a little bit. Grub screw hits the pinion gear, and then it's all shredded up. The metal one slows your motor down. This is why they give you a stock plastic one, so at least that's what the hobby guy store said. So yeah, let's move on. Fun fact, guys, originally this was just a brushed one, as you could probably tell, because this wheelie bar has been added in. It's a two-wheel drive, which doesn't mean it's a brushed one. I'm not 100% sure how you can tell it's a brushed one, but I've upgraded a lot of stuff in here. I mean, I got the metal, sorry guys, the metal turnbuckles right there. Not the turnbuckles, just the buckles. I got turnbuckles up here though, and the turn ones there. These posts are original, which is probably not the best for them. I put in the metal drive shafts, I put in the Valenion motor, I put in the Valenion fan. Let's see if I can get you guys up there. Valenion fan right there, and the ESC is a Valenion. Takes a 3-cell now compared to the nickel metal hydrate. I put in the wheelie bar, I put in the paddle tires, these lights at the front. There's been quite a few upgrades. I put in a new receiver, so I have the TQI now, and I got the crawler edition. Well, or if you have a funny car. Those are old though, I think. I'm not 100% sure. Those are expensive too. So I probably put about as much as you would pay for an X-Max into this. Just because I did not realize the upgrades would cost that much, and it was all birthday and other gifts, so those are the upgrades I've put in there. I'm probably forgetting a few. I want to get some new shocks for this, and I'm trying to save up for an X-Max eventually, but stay tuned for that. So yeah, my little super glue job I did on there. I mean, it's got a few pieces hanging out there. I had to super glue some of the parts on there because it just was kind of popping off because it's cheap plastic. Super glued it onto the front bumper. It's probably going to get destroyed if I bash it a few times in a few seconds. I mean, you know, that's the front bumper. I should have glued it on behind. Excuse me. Behind. But that's okay because they're very cheap and they're just for show, and hopefully they'll last a little bit. These right here are the Traxxas, they're not Proline, sorry. They're the Traxxas paddle tires. They're pretty nice. They come with these gigantic paddles. Compared to a normal size, a stock tire, they're a little bigger. I mean, maybe by half an inch. Bigger, I don't know. I'm not very good at measuring, but one upgrade I forgot to mention are these battery expander kits, but now they're pointless because I lost the part to it, so I just duct taped my battery in there. It's very rough in here, and there's these parts. Well, not really, but anyways, and I also had to duct tape part of the Valenion system right there, that little black part, because the white cable started tearing. I had to right there, that's my glue job, pretty bad. Funny enough, these are actually the stock tires, and I've done a bunch of burnouts with my old ones. I've had to buy new ones at least twice since I've had it, and I've probably had this less than 6 months. Not that I run mine super hard, but I do a little bit of crazy stuff with it. Drive it through the water, just like, not that that's bad, but it's not great either. So, yeah. So I'm still just waiting for the battery to charge. As you can see it in the background, it's still at 1 bar. I did run it pretty hard, and I had the lights on it, so I probably drained the battery quite a little bit. If I move this over, this is the new rock and roll body right here. It's pretty nice. Let me put it on there, and it looks pretty nice on there, I think. The antenna, since it's a 2-wheel drive, the antenna had to be cut a little bit, not the actual antenna, but the antenna tube, and so, because there's no hole at the top, and I could have made a hole with a body reamer, but I just decided not to. The body there sticks up a little bit. That's another. If you bash the bodies pretty hard and tumble them and roll them, right here in the holes, they can let me get out of the light. They can get pretty teared up, like right there, right there, especially at the back, and they pop through, and yeah, it can get pretty bad. Before I forget, let me put back on the cover, put back on the tire, and I'm want to show you some other tools of mine that I use. And yeah, let's get cracking. If you're ever going bashing, guys, you always want to bring your right tools. So I have a 1.5 millimeter, a 2 millimeter, 2.5 millimeter, and a 3.0 millimeter hex drivers. I also have a Phillips screwdriver, a 7 millimeter bolt screwdriver, some pliers, and some little tiny tweezers. There was the word. Yeah, that's what I carry. These are just Husky ones. This one's from Dynamite RC Cars. These are Apollo. These are just random stuff. But these are from Apex RC car racing stuff. And yeah, that's what I use. Okay guys, so that's about it for the workshop. But we're gonna go do some bashing. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.